Hello, this is my computer. In this video I show you how to make a router from a computer. To make a router, your computer must have at least two network interfaces. So I added a new network interface to my computer. Next I installed the operating system for it. To use my computer as a router I use an operating system called OPNsense. You go to OPNsense's homepage and download its image file. Here is the downloaded file. You use a USB drive to install OPNsense on the target computer. Next you download the software called Rufus. This software helps you to burn image files to USB drives. You open Rufus, select the USB drive and browse to the downloaded image file. After a few minutes the image file will be completely burned onto the USB drive. You plug this USB stick to the target computer and start installing OPNsense. You go to UEFI BIOS and change the boot order. You set up the target computer to boot from a USB drive. Then you save the changes and start the computer from the USB drive. By default OS runs on USB drive, but I want to install OPNsense on hard drive for long-term use. So I logged in as installer. Password is OPNsense. Following are the steps to install OPNsense on the target computer's hard drive. I choose to install OPNsense on the hard drive. The data on your hard drive is destroyed before installation. After a few minutes of waiting, OPNsense has been installed on the hard drive. Now restart your computer to complete the installation. You remove the USB drive from the computer because OPNsense is running on the hard drive. Username is root. Default password is OPNsense. You can configure your router here, but there is an easier way to do it. That is to access this router remotely via the web interface. From another computer connected to the router via the LAN interface, open the router management page using the IP address 192.168.1.1. Username is root. Default password is OPNsense. So I have completed the instructions for creating a router from a computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next I use the account provided by the internet provider to create a PPPoE dialer. With OPNsense you can create a VPN server, use it as a firewall. Good luck. As you can see, I have finished creating PPPoE dialer and have internet connection.